Hello everyone, this is Paul from Hi-Fi Made in China. Today I would like to show you the Android screen for BMW Z4 for the car with CIC system. Now I have connected the head unit to this model, and this is factory iDrive. Now I will show you how it works. You can see I use the iDrive to control the Android menu here. Navigation, Bluetooth, music, video, car info. When click the car info, it will get into the factory interface dashboard. And the buttons on the left side, just do this. Then you can choose it. Apps here. You can download and install a lot of apps here, like Google Maps, YouTube, and Facebook, Spotify, and many others. Car info. Here, this is the CIC interface. All of your factory functions work as same as before. Radio, CD here. CD. Radio, contact, and many others. When you back to the Android screen, you just touch the screen, then will be fine. Or you can press this button for 3 seconds. It also back to the Android screen. If your car without the factory screen, it means just a storage box on the dashboard. In that way, we offer an aftermarket iDrive knob here. This iDrive is optional. You can see the iDrive can control the Android menu like this. Here, setting, and many others. Because the car without the factory screen, so it don't have the factory interface. If you click here, it shows nothing because your car don't have the original interface. Dashboard. Here. All others are the same.